Bro, bro, my name is Raghu. I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You know,
Okay.
I completed my BSc Physics degree. Right now, looking for a job in IT sector.
Okay.
So
Wow.
I preferring for some software development related field.
Okay.
Yeah,
Oh, I
that's it,
see.
bro. It's going well. Preparing for interview.
Okay. So how's you preparing? How's going your preparation about interview? How's it going?
I just gathering some question. I prepared on the some questions based on that kind of.
Oh, I see. Nice. So, did you attend any interview before? Did you attend any interview?
As of now, I haven't attended any interview, by the way. Uh, I want to tell one thing, but this is my first one-on-one conversation on video call. First conversation.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Okay. No problem. Don't feel too comfortable, brother. Don't worry. I'm also beginner.
Oh,
You are also. We are learning. We are practicing each other. This is interesting part, brother. Don't worry.
okay.
I'm not master on like communication. Okay, don't worry. So I'm
Okay.
talking about what about your preparation? How's going interview? How's going your interview preparation? We can say did
Mm,
you learn? Did you try to implement about your body or body language and question
mm,
answer and practice
mm.
in front of mirror? So it's going well. Going well.
Bro, actually, I'm now focused on only questions and coding related things only. I'm not prefer for the body language, that kind of things. I'm just go on with the coding and coding related questions only.
So, do you have any information regarding interview campus? For example, if you go to attend any interview regarding your field, like regarding IT field. So, did you prepare about what kind of candidate, what kind of question they will ask about, and what is the criteria, how many interview, how many rounds interview? Do you have any little bit information?
I'm not know that much. I'm a fresher actually.
Okay,
Uh, right now I completed my course one of my institute. It's completed 2 weeks before. So I'm
okay,
preferring until the day I'm preparing for the interview. I will planning to upload my resume on 2 days after two
okay.
days. So that's my plannings going. I'm sure it will be I will be selected.
Yeah, of course, of course. All the best, your interview, man. Seriously,
Uh,
if you practice, if you prepare 100%, if you
mhm.
implement yourself like more and more, automatically you will select. But it's
So,
very important. Practice more,
mhm.
brother. Before giving
Yeah,
interview,
sure.
practice thousand of time in front of mirror. Because right
Oh,
now,
sure.
you
Okay.
don't have a partner, you don't have a like instrument to prepare with them. But you can
Yeah.
practice with in front of mirror, brother. Just stand
Okay.
in front of mirror and elaborate yourself
Okay.
like just assume that in front of my front of okay like interviewer, okay, and
Okay.
I'm candidate. So how do I answer in front of my
Okay. Okay.
interviewer?
Okay.
Practice. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to suggest you some tips, okay, because I have a good experience related to
Okay.
interview. I attended
Okay.
8 to 9 interview, brother.
Okay.
Sometimes I reject, sometimes I selected. But
Uh,
rejection, I got a rejection too many times, brother. Too many
uh,
times. Yeah. So I'm
yeah,
going to
but
share with you if you allow me.
okay. Yeah, sure.
Okay. So first thing, brother, we are fresher. Suppose you are fresher. Obviously, you are fresher. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you should prepare yourself. Yourself means your name, your
Okay.
study, your background study,
Okay.
and what did you done in your life, like any achievement, any
Mhm.
activities about sports, about any knowledge. So this is
Mhm.
very very important, brother. Introduction, okay. So
Mhm.
always interviewer in front of your front of okay, like 4 to 5 interviewer candidate. I mean, sir available. Okay, that
Mhm.
moment already this is very common question always interviewer ask about, tell me about yourself. This is common
Yeah.
question,
Yes.
but
Yes.
I know that this is common question, but if your answer will unique, then we can say they will, they will try to select you. They will try to think about
Yeah.
95% like you are best candidate. At least we will
Mm-hmm.
take a more round with you. But it's
Mm-hmm.
very your answer will unique, brother. Unique means like politely short and sweet. Short and
Yeah.
sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Like your
Mm-hmm.
name, your graduation, with
Mm-hmm.
your, like activity and with your knowledge. If you have a
Okay.
good command, have a good feel, then present in front of interviewer, brother. It's going to
Okay.
happen. Help, So first question is like your introduction, and
Mm-hmm.
second question, possible, brother, then
Mm-hmm.
learn some, learn some skill. We can say like whenever you go to attend an interview, so just refer to like what kind of job over there, what kind of
Mm-hmm.
organization, what kind of company,
Mm-hmm.
refer to, just Google it yourself and learn some, grab some story when this
Mm-hmm.
company started and what's what's service going on. If
Okay.
possible, more and more elaborate yourself, man.
Oh,
This is very
sure.
important.
Okay.
And whatever you mention in your resume, so don't repeat your, orally, brother. Don't repeat that. Don't do that,
Okay.
because
Okay.
already you mentioned in your resume, and same thing, same topic you are talking about
Okay.
orally in front of interviewer. So definitely they will feel to bore, because I
Yeah.
attended 9 time, brother. I
Okay.
attended some interview, so
Okay.
that's why I have a experience, not more than, but
So,
little
okay,
bit I have.
brother, in which sector you prefer for the interview, those interviews?
See, I visited, I attend the interview like airline department and hotel industry
Okay.
also. So
Okay. Okay.
most time I selected hotel industry,
Mm-hmm.
and always I rejected like airline department. Airline
Oh,
department.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So it's very important, brother. Communication. Third
Mm-hmm.
thing is very, communication is very very important, brother. Like, don't
Yeah,
speak
sure.
fastly, don't speak slowly. Just speak
Uh,
politely and clearly. This
mm-hmm.
is very important thing. And
Okay.
body language, body language is very important also, because right
Yeah,
now
sure.
if I hold like that, I'm talking with you, hi, hello, how are you, so look like weird. Eye
Yeah.
contact, body language, and your hand action, you
Mm-hmm.
have to manage all thing one time, brother, in interview
Yes.
time, duration interview time. It's
Yeah,
very
yeah.
important.
Yeah, sure.
So if possible, brother, then learn this thing. And if you confuse, you can help. You can take a help from YouTube channel. I mean YouTube
Mm-hmm.
videos. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
just just go to YouTube channel, search out YouTube videos like about interview. Definitely you will
Mm-hmm.
get the answer. Like,
Mm-hmm.
body language, eye contact, hand
Yeah.
action, and second thing like
Mm-hmm.
your topic, your knowledge. So
Mm-hmm.
definitely you will get, brother. But it's very
Yeah.
important, practice. Practice make
Mm-hmm.
a perfect person. If you practice
Yeah,
more,
sure.
you get a good command.
Mm-hmm.
And I know that like you are feeling nervous right now because you didn't practice yet. You are
Yeah.
fresh.
Yeah.
You are fresher. You are totally
Mm.
fresher. You don't know how
Yeah.
to attend an interview. If I get a chance, then how will I speak? How will give an answer in front of interviewer?
Mm, yeah.
Definitely, you are thinking you have a million of question, brother. I knew that because
Mm.
when I was fresher, that moment also I was thinking too much like, oh my god, how do I speak in front of interviewer, what question, that moment what
Yeah.
happened, brother, our body try to shake, then after that we sweat, and we feel too nervous, afraid, oh my god, if I give a wrong answer, then what will happen,
Mm. Yeah.
but
Yeah. Yeah.
always think about, this is not end the interview, this is not last interview. We can
Yeah.
say like, it's okay, this is my first interview, I'm going to attend normally. If I reject, always think
Okay.
about positivity, brother. Like,
Okay.
if I select, then how will I work with
Mm-hmm.
this organization? But it's okay, whenever you get a rejection, just think about, just let yourself like, no problem, I get a second chance to express myself in other interviewer, maybe
Mm-hmm.
in future time you will get a better job, you know
Mm-hmm.
so
Yeah.
when you get a rejection, don't feel nervous, don't feel like sad and hesitation, and
Yeah.
like irritated yourself, don't do that, don't think about
Okay.
it. It's okay, because this is like just interview, man. First
Mm.
interview, second interview, third interview, just not give an interview, you will get experience. you will, prepare yourself more and more, like what's my fault, what's my mistake, what should I improvement myself. You will learn many things. So
Yeah.
this is about interview, brother. Interview is very important. Maybe you heard about several times, first impression to last impression, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you
Mhm.
prepare yourself more and more, definitely first attempt you will clear yourself. I hope so you will get, I hope so you will attempt, first time you will get, you will cross, you will pass in first time. Don't worry, but it's very important, practice and prepare yourself, brother.
Yeah, it's 100% true. So, okay.
So I was talking about regarding interview. So I mean, suppose suppose I'm an interviewer and you are candidate.
Okay.
So how will you interview in front of me? How will you do?
First of all, I start with my self introduction. Should I give my self intro?
Yeah, of course, of course.
Uh, as you know, my name is Ragul. I am from Tamil Nadu, Karur district. I have completed my graduation through Bharathdasan University with aggregated percentage 70.9. If I talk about my schooling in SSLT and ISSC, I scored 85%, 90% respectively. I have after completed my graduation. Yes, after completing my graduation, looking for a job. So yeah, I kind of feel nervous. So
I observe you two and 3 point, brother. Like you made a big mistake.
okay,
First, you just try to say and you forgetting some word. You know that answer. What should I talk? You have an answer,
okay,
but you try to take a pause. This is your weakness point. Okay, I'm going to highlight. This is your little bit weakness point. Weakness point. Okay,
hmm,
you should work this thing. And second thing, brother, whenever you try to talk in front of people, front of interview, front of me, okay, you try to look in upside, like don't do that, just
okay, okay,
concentrate. Eye contact is very important. Suppose like you are sitting over there and in
mm,
your front of like two and three interviewer available, two and three people are available. So
hmm,
just try to look everyone one by
okay,
one.
okay,
Don't look one person, don't look like here and there. Just try to
hmm,
look everyone. Eye contact
hmm,
is very important. Then you will get a more confidence, brother.
hmm,
Okay.
okay,
And second thing, brother, like before I told you, just prepare yourself based answer, like about your
okay,
name, your education, your percentage, and whatever you have a knowledge regarding this organization. Just prepare more, and if possible, then talk to more and more about organization, about company, brother.
okay,
Really very important.
hmm,
If you prepare over the interviewer, what they are looking first thing, they are looking a best candidate who's suitable for my company, who's suitable for my organization. That's the reason
yeah,
they conduct the interview and
hmm,
try to check your ability. They try to check your communication, how you speak, how you give a performance in my in my company, how you handle client customer, how you talk, what's your body language, what's your eye contact. That's why reason
yeah,
they are going to check everything.
hmm, yeah,
That's why they conduct the interview. So if possible, brother, then prepare more and more, study more about your introduction. Because first
okay,
impression, last impression. This is the
uh-huh.
reality, brother.
Yeah,
If
sure,
you
sure, sure,
impress with front of people first time, definitely second time you will clear yourself.
yeah, sure.
And I'm sure like maybe in your field, maybe two and three interviews going on, two and three round is there. First,
Yeah, first,
second one question answer, third one group discussion, I think. Am I right?
yeah, yeah, yes, yeah, correct.
And even I heard about like in your field, in IT field over
Hmm,
there, they try to concentrate about communication because all
hmm,
clients belong to USA and
yeah,
something, and
yeah,
you're working like email and PC on coding. So
hmm.
communication is very important in your field, I think, because one of my friend is
Yeah, yeah,
working.
we have a client from abroad.
Yeah. So,
Mm-hmm.
brother, if possible, then learn something. Learn about interview, and
Okay.
definitely all the best. I'm going to wish you you will clear your interview in
Thank you
first
so
time.
much.
Don't
Thank you so
worry,
much.
okay? But it's
Thank
very important. Confidence is very important, brother. If you have a
you. Yeah.
confidence, definitely you will clear.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Right
100%
now,
true.
know, right now you are trying to express yourself in front of people. This is great thing. This is like
Mm-hmm.
you will get a confidence. Just do it more and more. And whenever you
Yeah.
solitude yourself, then
Okay.
prepare yourself. Like learn more, talk more, like
Okay.
about your name, organization, and interview question answer.
Okay.
What do you mean by IT sector? What kind of work over there?
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
definitely they are hiring a best candidate. Best candidate means like definitely they will ask about like tricky question
Mm-hmm.
in your related, like about
Yeah.
networking, about coding part, about like software server. Definitely they will ask
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
because
Sure.
this is based on this company. So
Mm-hmm.
introduction is like first thing, and second thing like a question answer means like they will ask about tricky question before I told you, like related to IT sector, and third one they will give a group discussion.
Mm-hmm.
So
Yeah.
your answer you have to learn, you have to prepare 100%. Your answer will like perfectly,
Yeah. Sure.
your answer will short, your answer will like unique, brother. you know
Yeah.
yeah. So if possible, then learn 100%, do things, okay?
Sure. Okay,
Yeah.
bro.
So tell me more, brother. Tell me more about yourself. I don't know, like, how's going your preparation, your study? How's going? Tell me
Uh,
more.
yeah. Preparation mean I just practice my code parts only. I'm not focused on more my self intro and should do that too also. Uh, yes, bro. I'm just coding and preparing based on the questions only.
Okay, okay, no problem. Definitely, you will get knowledge, and whenever you attend your first interview, you will get a more knowledge, and you will realize like what should I learn, what should I do
Mhm.
study. Okay,
Yeah,
don't
so
it will, everything will going fine. Don't worry. Okay.
okay, bro.
So, brother, that was amazing. So, did you remember like what I was talking about regarding the interview? Maybe you will get an
Yeah,
answer. Maybe
sure. Yeah,
understanding. You know.
yeah. I know all the things. I remember.
By the way, like you're speaking fantastic. Just I suggest you, brother, try to speak more and more because you're speaking very slowly, very short time.
Okay,
Your
okay,
pronunciation is perfect. You're speaking great,
okay,
but you're
okay.
speaking slow. You're speaking like short. Whenever I try to ask a question, you just answer me. That question. You do not try to add some sentence and some word. You do not
Oh,
try. But I'm going to
okay.
try to. I'm going to suggest you, if possible, then add something. Try to
Uh,
create your own story. An
okay, okay.
answer like make a long conversation, brother. If
Oh,
possible, then make a long conversation. Make a
okay.
long.
Yeah, I
Then
have to
easily.
work on that. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Yeah. So,
that's
okay.
great. Really, that's great. You are a great guy. Okay.
Yeah, actually, you have a great communication skill.
Yeah. No, no, brother. Because I prefer to like conversation. I prefer to video calling. That's why then I get a little bit command for
Yeah,
communication.
because
If
it's your hard
I
work.
try
It's
to talk to a stranger too much, brother. Seriously, I love to.
yeah.
I told you, I love to communication with stranger. I love to do that.
Okay, okay, okay. That's
So
awesome.
all the best, your interview and your study and your life journey, man. Don't
Thanks,
give
bro.
up.
You
Okay?
too.
Don't give up. Just keep going. Do hard work. Believe hard work, not luck, brother. You
Okay,
know.
bro. Okay, bro.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Keep going. Keep learning. Thank you very
Yep.
much for attending. Thank you very much for sharing your idea and regarding interview. That was amazing conversation. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so